2004 RX 330. This luxury SUV from Lexus debuted in 1998 and was the first luxury SUV to hit the market. Besides being the pioneer for luxury SUVs, the RX 330 gives the driver similar dimensions to the Jeep Grand Cherokee with the refinements of Lexus and quality of Toyota, and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 125,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, all-wheel drive, airbags, driver airbag, automatic transmission, power windows, passenger airbag, trip computer, fog lamps, compass, remote power door locks, speed proportional power steering, daytime running lights, tachometer, heads-up display, rear wiper, power heated outside mirrors, remote window operation, privacy glass, rear spoiler. Come see the car for yourself.